Hi and welcome to my brow tutorial. These are my before and these are my after. Yes, look at that difference. Yes, work it, girl. First things first, I'm the realist. Nah, I start off by brushing out my brows, just making sure they're nice and even on both ends, and using a brow powder I basically just start filling them in. Now using the brush again, just to brush out any harsh edges and just blend it all out, like so. And next is the brow mascara, which is basically like a brow gel, just to keep your brows nicely set in place. Onto concealer. I'm applying that on the edges, just making sure to clean up any mistakes I've made and just creating a nice shape. Making sure to blend everything out. You can use your fingers, you can use the brush. Now using highlighter, just highlight that area just to give it more definitions. And there you have it, all done. Looks very nice. And yes, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Comment down below if you want to see any more cool videos from me. And yeah, follow me at Clarissa Lee. Thank you.